Today we'll see how to make garlic bread. To make garlic bread I need French loaf, fresh parsley, butter and chopped garlic. So to begin with, we'll take some butter. This is soft butter, to which we'll add some chopped garlic, and in this we'll add some fresh parsley. Chop it fine. Mix this well. Now let's slit this French bread, and on both these halves we'll apply the butter. Be as generous as possible. We'll put this on a microwave dish and we will grill this for about 15 minutes till the crust gets golden in color. Crisp garlic bread is ready. Cut this into smaller pieces and serve immediately.